Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. If this is your first time with me, please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, and hit on my ring bell, and I will support you back as always. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? So today I have for you something really special, something I've been waiting for. I have a story. I have there's just a lot going on in this video, and I just need to share it with you guys. So yeah, this is my November Ipsy Plus. I just got it. If that tells you anything. So if you guys want to see my new November Ipsy Plus, very first one, you guys know the drill. Keep on watching, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so there's a little bit of a story behind here, so I will just be really quick. I'm going to try not to say Boxy Luxe because that's kind of where this started. When Boxy Luxe announced Boxy Luxe, I wanted to get Boxy Luxe, and of course we all know what happened with that. So I ended up not getting it. Well, I said, you know what? Ipsy's coming out with something. I'll just get Ipsy Plus. So I took myself off the waiting list for Boxy Luxe and I signed back up for Ipsy. And you guys have got to understand, I have been with Ipsy from the rip. When they started, I was with them. And I canceled about 1.5 years ago because I just wasn't enjoying the products that I was getting. They were just sending me just stuff that I didn't need, stuff that I didn't like. So I just canceled it. And as far as being a subscriber. So I went ahead and signed back up with Ipsy once I got tainted and once I got jaded from Boxy Luxe. Well, come to find out, to make a long story short, I ended up getting, they didn't send me Ipsy Plus when the first box. So this is my first Ipsy Plus box, but I found out that I was getting Boxy Luxe. I put myself back on the waiting list because I wanted that Violet Voss palette. And put myself back on the waiting list, got Boxy Luxe and Ipsy Plus. So now I've got to decide. I cannot keep both of them. I do not know which one I'm going to keep. I'm going to give Ipsy Plus, I guess, probably until, I'll probably decide at the first of the year which one I'm going to keep, because, and that leads me to the next part. The reason I'm getting this so late is because I did add-ons, and I did find out from my friend Sarah that when you do add-ons with Ipsy Plus, it takes a little bit longer, or with Ipsy in general, it takes a little bit longer. So I was fine with that. They sent me an email around the middle of November, and they said that they were sorry, and that they would try to get out as soon as possible. And I was like, okay, that's fine, no problems. And they're like, well, it's because you put the add-ons and we're still trying to get things together. Okay, no problem. So on the 30th of November, I still didn't have my Ipsy Plus, and they sent me a email and they said, Courtney, we're so sorry. We're just now sending out your Ipsy Plus. Please forgive us. We have everything ready, boxed up, and we're going to send it out to you. We have a tracking number. And so basically they said, Courtney, since the mix-up, we're going to let you get your December Ipsy Plus for free. And I was like, that's great, because I don't want to pay for it anyways. I can't afford it. It's Christmas, right? So now I've got the November Ipsy Plus. Is my very first one, and I want to share it with you guys. I know some of the things that are in here. Obviously, I know the things that I added on. I paid $9 to have it added on. It's cheaper than Boxy Luxe. So I went ahead and got it, and yeah, so here it is. This is what it looks like. This is the box. So I'm going to share this with you guys. I've already cut the seal here, right here. I've already cut the seal, but I have not opened it. Like I said, I think I know what a few of the items are. I definitely know what one of the items are, but I'm just not sure because it was sent out so late. I don't know if it's the same stuff or not. I've watched a few videos. I've watched my friend Sabrina. I will link her up in the cards or down in the bottom. And I've watched my friend Deni's. I will do the same with her. And they got different things. So yeah, this will be interesting. So I'm opening the box, and it's a pretty box. Instead of using the gray or the black, they use the blue. And it says on the inside, it has some wording in there, and it says Glam Bag Plus, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which is really nice. It's got this blue foam. So the first thing I see is what I knew was in this box, and I'm so excited about it, and it is my Oprah Rodeo Dry, which I have never owned, and it is in the new packaging, and it is absolutely 100% gorgeous. I love it. I think I got a sample, like one of the card samples of it, and I've never had, you know, a full size of the Rodeo Dry, so I'm super excited to have this. I really am. So I want to try it. I couldn't wait to get my paws on this. So I already have some highlighter on, but I really don't care. That is gorgeous. Just as expected. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so this has got a mirror, and it's just it's got a magnetic closure on it, which is really cool. The old, you know what the old ones look like, they were round and they had the pop tops. So this is just amazing. This is a full size, and I'm just super excited to have it. So the next thing I see, I know that I added on, and I'm super excited to have this. So let me open it, and I'm going to just show you what it is. I got one of the Juno & Co. sponges. I'm so excited to have this. I've been wanting to try this for ages. The first person who showed me this sponge and whose video I watched for this sponge was my friend Velvet Celieste, and I will also link her either in the cards or down below. And she totally made me want to try this sponge, and I've just been hearing nothing but great things about it ever since. So I was super happy to get this. I'm not sure the regular price on this, but it really doesn't matter because I added on 3 things for $9. So this is pretty cool. But I did notice that I do not have a pamphlet in my box. Maybe they ran out of pamphlets. Maybe they ran out of the November ones because they sent me my box so late. Anyways, so I'm really excited about this. I really am. Ooh, that is soft, you guys. I cannot wait to try this. Ooh. It looks like it has a hole in the bottom of it. Look at that. Is that normal, you guys? If anybody has one of these, tell me if that's normal. Right, it looks like someone stuck a pin in it. Okay, so moving on. The next thing I see is... Okay, this is the Needles No More, the Dr. Brandt Needle No More Baggage, and this is actually going into a giveaway. This is going to be a part of the 2018 holiday giveaway collab with me and Shannon Moody. So you guys make sure that you go and check that video out because that goes until the 19th, so not much time left. So you guys go check that out because there's a first and a second place winner. And if you go watch my video, all the rules and everything will be in there. So go check that out. But I do not like this I do not like this stuff. So the next thing I see is 3 brushes. They look like this, and it looks like they're from Swiss Glam. So I'm going to get these out. I love getting brushes. Y'all know I love getting brushes. So it looks like we have, these are so pretty. I love Swiss Glam. I have one Swiss Glam brush, but I love these. They have the pink rhinestones on them. You can probably see them maybe, but you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen these. So this one is like a detail blender, and it looks like one of my Morphe brushes actually. And this is an eye blending P24. This one is an eye angled shading, and it's a P17. That's really soft. I like that a lot. Ooh. And then this one is interesting. This one's got an interesting shape to it. This just says eyeshadow, and it's P15, and it's triangular. It's pinched off right here, and it makes it like a triangular brush. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I can tell there. But that's interesting. That is very, very interesting. So I'm excited to use those. Those are going there. I gotta wash them. But so the next thing I see is Makeup Geek foiled lip gloss. It looks like this, and I got the color Acoustic. Oh, please let this be a good color. Please let this be a good color. Please let this be a good color. Ooh. It's shiny, you guys. Can y'all see that? It's like a shimmery, shiny. Let's put it on, shall we? This is pretty, but it's not really a lip gloss. I would say it's more like a lip cream. Does anybody else have this one? What do y'all think? It's more like a lip cream. It's not that glossy. I mean, it's not matte, but it's not like a regular lip gloss, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the next thing I see is, this is something that I added on that I'm so excited about, and it is a Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Glitter Palette, and I am so excited to see the inside of this in person. This is one of the ones that does all the dancing on the outside. I have a lip one that does this that I got from Boxy, and it is just so fun to play with. Ask my friend Krista. She'll tell you. I like to talk to her with it. Oh, y'all, look at these glitters. Oh my goodness. Except for the gold. But those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, look at the blue and the pink. Oh, I cannot wait to play with that. And I got glitter glue. Oh, I'm so excited about that one. Okay, yeah, this is an extra add-on that I got. This is an item from Juice Beauty, and this is the Photopigments Illuminating Primer, and it's the #1 Luminous, and it's a 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounces. I actually would like to put a little bit of this on. All right, let's see how this looks. So I put a little bit here on my hand. So it's an illuminating primer. It's really nice and moist, and it soaks into the skin well, and it's not overbearing. It's not like Cover FX glitter drops. Cover FX glitter drops. So yeah, I like that. And it's got a nice scent to it. I like the scent. So this was my third add-on. So the other thing I see is an item from Tarte. I know what this is because I saw this in Deni's video. And this is a beautiful palette, a cheek palette. I think this is cute because it looks like a notebook. This is what it looks like. You've got kind of a dusty rose. You've got a like a shimmery, I think this one's the shimmery one that's like a coral, and then you just have like this is the dusty rose, this is the shimmery coral, and this is like a nude, and it's Love, Learn, and Live. But I love this large pan of this color Dusty Rose because I love that blush. I don't have a lot of blushes in that tone. I have them in darker tones of that, but that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cheek palette. I love that. And this is the last thing in the bag. And because it is the first, bag that I'm getting, I thought that I was gonna see like that pinky bag with the like pink and maroon, and that's not what I got. I got this. I got this navy blue glittery. I wonder if it's got to do it. Yes, it does. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am obsessed with these kind of bags. Oh my goodness. I could play with these forever. I have one like this that, oh gosh, and this is a good quality too. Oh, I love it. Navy blue is my thing, y'all. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So, yeah, look at that shimmer. Oh, my gosh. Let's open it up. So, it's got like a loop handle here, and it opens all the way. See that? And then inside, take the paper out, and it opens up very wide. Look at that. That is like a super amazing bag. Oh, I'm happy about this bag. I like this bag a lot better than that maroon bag, that's for sure. It's different. All in all, I am very happy with this. I love this box. The only thing I don't like in this box is this Needles No More by Dr. Brand. And I already knew I was getting this, and it's going to be given away to somebody who will use it, so that makes me happy. So yeah, I'm super happy with this box. I am very, very surprised. You know, I don't know if they were trying to make, this bag has really shocked me. I cannot believe this bag. And don't forget about that giveaway that I told you guys about earlier. I hope you guys will enter and I cannot wait to see who wins that. And you guys, tell me what you think about this box. Did you guys get it? Would you guys consider getting it? You know, it's $25. It's not, and it's not in addition to. You can choose. You can either get Ipsy and Ipsy Plus, or you can just get Ipsy Plus. And for me, Ipsy's not worth it, honestly. So I just chose to get Ipsy Plus. So I'm going to stick with Ipsy Plus for my free month of December, and then I will make my decision in January. So I will see you guys again when I get my Boxy Lux and my Allure, because those are the only 3 that I have. If you guys are interested, I'll leave my link down there if you like to use it. It's a referral link, and I get points or something, and it's just, yeah, for referrals. So you're welcome to use it if you want to. If not, that's okay too. So just wanted to throw that out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, and hit on my ring-a-dingy bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. And I love you, but I will not argue with you guys. Tell me what you think. Your feedback means the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a good day. Happy weekend. Please tell me if that's normal. Why would it have it looks like someone stuck a pin in it. Okay. I don't like that. I just had to give that a stank face. Okay. Love, learn, and live. Live, love, live. Hold on, wait. Live, learn, and love. Live, learn, and love. I got it. But I love